Time is a precious and mysterious gift. We never stop exploring. A masterpiece inspired by timeless beauty. This is the time to evolve. What could you do if you had the ability to control it? Welcome to Infinity 3.0. With the release of Infinity Watch 3, Bluether Magic provides you with a classically styled, fully functioning watch. From appearance to functionality, Infinity 3 has been carefully designed to look and work exactly like regular watches, also with brand new mechanism and design. The time on Infinity 3 can now be adjusted by turning the crown, which is unheard of in similar products. We are thrilled by this innovation, which takes the authenticity and subtlety of your performance to the next level, owing to our advanced motion sensor technology. You can now easily turn on the watch by simply turning it over. This revolutionary change saves you the hassle of opening and exposing the back of the watch. Charging the watch is no longer an issue, thanks to Bluether Magic's cutting-edge low-power technology. The easily replaceable button battery has an amazing standby time of 4 years and an operation time of 220 hours. The remote control comes in 2 versions, a keypad remote as well as a pen remote, whichever suits you. What's more, to maximize the reliability of the performance, we also pushed the limit with our signal strength, with a sensor capable of stretching up to 20 meters away. Along with all your physical props, you will also receive detailed instructions outlining 5 different routines, some of which do not even require the remote control. Infinity 3.0 is the epitome of substance meets style. Everything you could ever hope to get in a Magic watch now comes in more styles than ever. 4 wristwatches and 2 pocket watches. Time waits for no one. Control it now.